Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Calasar. Today, we're using Alma Linux, yay! Which is, in the same family as Fedora and Red Hat and those guys. I want to thank those of you who've given feedback. I appreciate it. So today, and I like to keep my stuff short and sweet. So here we go. Today, we're going to talk about moving and renaming a file at the same time. So here we are. We are at our home directory. We've got desktop documents, all the wonderful little directories. And then we have a file here named Bex. Now, what is that? Bex. Maybe somebody made a mistake. Maybe I did. Well, let's use the cat command, see what's in it. Oh, look at that. It's, how I would say, wide receivers. It's the big three, or as Herbstreit called them, Earth, Wind, and Fire. So we're going to go ahead and move Earth, Wind, and Fire to the Documents folder and rename it at the same time. So we're going to go ahead and hit MV for move, Bex, and then this little guy right here, then slash, then documents. There we go. And we're going to rename it to OWR for wide receivers. So we go ahead and hit return. Let's go ahead and ls, see if it's still there. Oh, it's gone. Yay! So let's go ahead and go to documents. And there it is. If we cat it, we can see, there we go. We've got our Earth, Wind, and Fire. That's a real quick video about how you can rename and move a file. Now, if you just want to rename it right where it is, you can do that too. So let's go ahead and hit MV, WR, and let's rename it to Bax. How about WBax? And do that, hit LS, and there we go. It's been renamed. So that's a quick tutorial on the move command. Hope you guys like this episode. Please like, please subscribe, and go ahead and leave a comment. And like I said, I appreciate those of you who have left comments. So you guys have a good day. Go Bucks. Beat the team up north.